You've probably been using onions your whole life in cooking. But did you know there's a simple way to prepare onions that can help clean out your arteries, regulate your blood sugar, and protect your heart? And no, this isn't some internet myth, this is backed by research. Today you'll discover the science behind the humble onion's healing power, a simple homemade onion recipe that targets diabetes and heart disease, and how to start using it daily to feel the difference in just weeks. Let's get into it. Section 1. The science behind onions. Onions are more than just flavor boosters. They are one of nature's most powerful medicinal foods, especially for those over 50. What makes onions so powerful? Quercetin, a natural antioxidant that reduces inflammation and unclogs arteries. Allicin, also found in garlic, lowers blood pressure and bad cholesterol, LDL. Chromium, helps regulate blood sugar naturally. Sulfur compounds improve circulation and detoxify the blood. Flavonoids reduce oxidative stress and improve heart health. Clinical insight, a study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that regular onion consumption helped reduce arterial stiffness, a major risk factor for heart attack and stroke. Section 2. Health benefits. What this recipe targets. 1. Cleans arteries. Dissolves plaque buildup. Enhances nitric oxide levels for blood vessel flexibility. 2. Lowers blood sugar. Helps regulate insulin production. Reduces fasting blood glucose over time. 3. Reduces bad cholesterol, LDL. Improves HDL, LDL ratio. Blocks oxidation of fats in the bloodstream. 4. Improves blood pressure. Relaxes blood vessels. Reduces systolic and diastolic pressure. 5. Boosts immunity and fights infection. Natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Section 3. The artery cleansing onion recipe. This is an ancient folk remedy modernized for today. Easy, inexpensive, and requires just a few ingredients. Onion heart elixir recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium red onion, raw, peeled and sliced. 1 cup filtered water. 1 tablespoon raw honey. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Optional, pinch of cayenne pepper, boosts circulation. Instructions: thinly slice the onion and place in a glass jar or bowl. Add the lemon juice and cover with water. Let sit for 10 to 12 hours, overnight is best. In the morning, strain the liquid into a glass. Stir in 1 tablespoon of honey and optional cayenne. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Section 4. Why seniors should pay attention. If you're over 50, 60, or 70, you're naturally at higher risk for atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, poor circulation, low immune response. This natural onion drink can support medication without replacing it. Be used alongside your heart-healthy or diabetic diet. Promote daily detox and circulation support. Section 5. Warnings and tips. Avoid if you have an onion allergy. You're on blood thinners, consult your doctor. You have severe acid reflux, try cooked onion instead. Tips: use raw red onions, they are highest in quercetin. Avoid heating this remedy, it reduces active compounds. Consistency is key, use daily for at least 4 weeks for noticeable results. Add it to your evening salad or take it as a morning tonic. Section 6. Real stories and testimonies. I was pre-diabetic and dealing with borderline high blood pressure. After 3 weeks of drinking this onion tonic each morning, my numbers began to drop and I felt more energetic. John, 67. I never liked raw onions, but this mix with honey and lemon actually tastes okay. My doctor noticed improvement in my cholesterol too. Elena, 73. Section 7. Final thoughts and encouragement. The medicine we need often isn't in a bottle, it's already in our kitchen. The humble onion is one of the most overlooked superfoods when it comes to heart health, blood sugar control, and longevity. So try this. For the next 30 days, drink the onion elixir daily. Watch how your body changes. Give your heart what it needs. Take control of your health, 1 glass at a time. Like this video for more natural remedies. Share this with someone over 50 who cares about their health. Comment below if you try the recipe or want more healing drinks like this. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly natural health tips.